Well, good evening, YouTube. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Uh, yeah, it is 10:40 p.m. in the evening on August the 14th of 2024. This would be Wednesday evening. I don't know what I'm doing up early on my day off, but something woke me up. Anyway, yeah, life happens. Of course, I'm used to being awake earlier than this, so I did get to sleep in a little bit. But yeah, it is what it is. Sleep's important. I hope everybody's having a good day. Yeah. Wasn't much up on things yesterday. Had somebody get me stressed out, which I don't usually let happen, because high blood pressure is nothing to, have, don't joke about it. It's high blood pressure will kill you. I mentioned that a lot of my men in my dad's side, we die off between 65 and 67. Yeah, pretty much we all have had high blood pressure, have or had. Yeah. And when you start getting ugly numbers like, top one here ain't ugly, but 168. It's not good, but, not that bad. But when you got a 145 under it, yeah, that's the problem. When they're so close together, the top and the bottom, that scares doctors. Yeah. I once went in and was at my doctor's office, and I had a 160 over 148. Yeah. My doc was definitely irritated about that. So I usually try to avoid things that get my blood pressure up. Some days it just walks right into you. It is what it is. Of course, that has a tendency to make you not want to do anything except curl up and relax and try to find your peace again. Hey, it is what it is. Anyway, came close to selling out at my job yesterday, which is a good thing. I think we had like 5 rooms left, something like that. Yeah, boss will be happy about that. Anyway, probably gonna try to eat something and catch a nap, and then get up and try to work in the backyard. Yeah, fun stuff. That, and I need to get my laundry done. I actually got it all set out before I went to sleep yesterday. But yeah, or earlier today. You know what I mean. I woke up. It's a new day. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. Got the laundry ready to go. It's something else I'm going to try to get done once it starts warming up tomorrow. Why is it you always have dirty clothes? I mean, you put clothes on, you go do the laundry, and you have all those clean clothes, but the clothes you're wearing are now dirty. It's a never-ending job. There's no such thing as not having dirty laundry. Anyway, I'm hoping to catch the farmer's market tomorrow too. Try to go over there probably first thing as the sun's coming up, see what I can catch over there. I missed going Saturday because it was it was downpour on Saturday. I mean, cats, dogs, We was having flooding spots, which is never a good thing. But yeah, it would be better if we got all of our rain spread out over, hours and days instead of, large amounts in a matter of 2 hours. But hey, we'll take what we get any way we get it. Because, hey, this is High Plains Desert, and we always need rain. I don't know about you, but, yeah. Sorry, trying to stretch the back. It's called, you sleep, you get still, your body starts tightening up, and when you wake up, you're in knots. Yeah. The fun stuff. Anyway, I'm going to go try to get something to eat. Don't know about you, but woke up hungry. That's a good thing. And I've actually got some food to take and do that. Of course, I went to the grocery store, and yeah, probably shouldn't have spent the money on the beef, but they had, they had it on for $3.79, I think it was, a pound for some steak. Yeah, had to get 2 packages. And while I was there, I also found a couple pieces of tuna, so in the discount meat section, so I got them at a better price. Yeah. Nowadays, it's hard to take and go grocery shopping. Everything's so expensive, and that's getting to the point that even the discount section's getting to be a bit of a shock when you go there. But I did pick up, a couple pieces of beef, some hamburger, those steaks, and tuna, 2 chunks of tuna steak. So, yeah. Oh, and a package of chicken for a fajita mix. And I cooked that up after I got back from the store. So I got chicken fajitas waiting for me. I just need to warm them back up. You know the hazard of being a single guy? No package comes, except for individual slice of beef. They very seldom do they sell, just one piece of something anymore at a good price. Because, yeah, the world does not package for single people. So, you either buy an expensive individual piece, or you buy family pack and get a good price. But if you buy a family pack, well, then you have a whole bunch. You either have to eat it a couple times in a row, or cut it in half and freeze half of it. Yeah. Just saying. Yeah. So I'm having chicken fajitas again yesterday and this morning. So, but hey, they're actually good. I don't know about you, but I like chicken fajita. I don't like it twice in a row, but hey, it's still good. I guess I could take and cook a steak and then eat, spread it out that way. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, it's good to have options and choices. And yeah, I know it's not always a good choice all the time. It is what it is. Anyway, kind of rambling today. I don't think I'm really fully awake. I probably should go back to sleep instead of eating. I don't know. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Later, blessings. Bye bye. Oh, hit like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for your comments. And I appreciate y'all. 134 of you. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.